Assalamualaikum. I am Zaim Raisul Islam Shuhar. My dear students, first of all, I have a question for all of you. My question is, have you any ideas about flexible payment and rigid payment? Okay, but my dear students, as a civil students, we should have enough ideas about flexible payment and rigid payment. Okay. First of all, we can discuss about flexible payment. What is the definition of it? The definition of flexible payment is such type of payment that consists of asphalt or bituminous material mixing with concrete and has capability of very low flexural strength. That is called flexible payment. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Then comes for rigid pavement. Rigid pavement is such type of pavement that consists of cement concrete slab and has considerable flexural strength, that is rigid pavement. Okay. Dear students, have you understood this definition of flexible pavement and rigid pavement? Okay. Now we come for some properties of flexible pavement and rigid pavement. Actually, what is the difference between flexible pavement and rigid pavement? Okay, for flexible pavement, its initial cost is very low, but for rigid pavement, its initial cost is very high. And for flexible pavement, it has high deflection, but rigid pavement, it has low deflection. For flexible pavement, it has lower lifetime, but rigid pavement, it has longer lifetime. But this is actually the difference between flexible pavement and rigid pavement. Now, first of all, we are discussing about the definition of flexible pavement and rigid pavement. Then we are discussing about the difference between flexible pavement and rigid pavement. Now, my question is, how can we construct this type of pavement? First of all, I can give you some ideas about flexible pavement. Flexible pavement, we can construct this type of pavement for the lower part. For the lower part, if we construct this type of flexible pavement, first of all, from the lower part, we have to construct natural subgrade, then compacted subgrade, then sub-base course, then base course, then binder course, then surface course. By this following procedure, we can construct this flexible pavement. Okay. Okay, my dear students, then we can turn for rigid pavement, and what procedure we should follow. By this process, we can construct rigid pavement. For the lower portion, for the lower part, first of all, we can construct natural subgrade, then base or sub-base course, then cement concrete slab. In this procedure, we can construct the rigid pavement. Okay, my dear student. Okay, in my class today in my class, I want to give some very brief ideas about rigid pavement and flexible pavement. Okay, my dear students, thank you very much for cooperating with me. I think you have got an excellent idea about this topic. And at last, thank you very much for watching my demo video class. Assalamualaikum.